Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming these AirPods Pro are charged, updated, and physically clean. First, check firmware and Bluetooth settings so you know you can update. Once done, charge both buds and the case above 50% and wipe the mic meshes gently. Dirt often suppresses transparency mics. Now, open the case, keep the AirPods in, and prepare to reset the pairing. This is the first actionable step that clears software states and readies the device for a full recalibration. You will now reset and repair the AirPods to restore transparency processing. First, forget the device in Bluetooth, then leave buds in the open case. Hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This clears pairing and some calibration data. Once the LED is stable, repair to your iPhone. Allow the phone to push any available firmware. Repairing forces the system to reinitialize microphone routing and the transparency algorithm, which often restores proper function. Once paired, you calibrate transparency by toggling noise control modes. Switch to active noise canceling, then off, then transparency, holding each for about 30 seconds. This retrains the internal gains. Next, test in both quiet and noisy settings to confirm mic routing and clarity. This verifies the fix. If transparency still sounds muffled or inconsistent, you likely have a physical microphone fault. Make sure to contact Apple support for a hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.